Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to turn off message preview pop-ups in Microsoft Teams and disable chat banner notifications permanently. This instantly blocks incoming chat text snippets from flashing onto the corner of your screen layout during live meetings, protecting your sensitive business data and keeping your private conversations completely hidden from colleagues or clients. First, move your cursor to the absolute top right corner of the interface header row and click on the three dots, Settings and More icon sitting directly next to your profile picture. Click on Settings from the Choice drop-down layout to load your main application configuration panel. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Notifications and Activity tab located near the middle of the left sidebar list. Move your eyes to the center section explicitly labeled Display. Locate the specific settings switch toggle or checkbox option explicitly labeled Show Message and Content Preview in Notifications. Click that tracking toggle switch to turn it completely off to freeze the system engine from rendering real-time text snippets inside your Toast notification banners. While you are here, you can also look directly at the Play Sound with Notifications option and toggle it off if you want to silence incoming alert ringtones during focus hours. And that's it. Your private, distraction-free message alert display configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.